I am back with a quick tutorial to show you how to make this really easy little flip page that I made in my mini album, and it has a little pocket here with a tag and then a space here to put a photo or journaling there, and then flops up like that and then flips back over this way, and here is your other space for a tag, and then place here for a photograph, and then another spot here for an additional tag. Okay, so this is just made again with the same black envelope that I used to make the page itself. And you just want to take your envelope and make sure that it's sealed. First of all, I put a little bit of glue here on the two edges just to make sure it was nice and tight. And then you can do this with any size envelope. It doesn't have to be this exact size. So what you would want to do is go ahead and score it right in half. So whatever size your envelope is, score it right in half. And then you're going to make sure that you cut it just halfway. See that? How it's just halfway. And then you're going to fold down. Let's see, I need it this way. When it's folded in half, you're going to have your fold coming down this way. See that? That's the look there. And then I cut off just a little tiny bit right there when I cut it in half. Because see, if you look right here, see that half? There's the two halves right there. So that's already cut off right there. And then you would have a loose opening here as well, which we're going to close up in just a minute. But this, I'm going to go ahead and just punch this to kind of mark it so that it's a little bit easier for our purposes to tell that which side is which, because here's the thing. This side is where you're going to put the tag on this one, but when you flip it over to here, we're going to cut this little flap and we're going to have the other side be right here. So what I did, I just freehanded this, and I just took a pair of scissors and I just cut just really the very, very, very tip. And then when I got up to the top, I just kind of rounded it just the tiniest little bit so that it didn't cut into this flap, because you don't want that flap to be cut, just this one. So let me go ahead and punch that really quick, and then that'll kind of show us where we went. So there's your other flap there. And then on the top here, in order for this to fit well into the mini, we needed to cut off another about 1/2 inch off the top of that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick. You don't have to make it any exact thing. It would depend on the size of your mini. I would just decide because of that. If you only have to cut off a smidgen, then you can make your pocket a little bit bigger, whichever is fine. So we cut that off. And then we're going to take our punch and just go ahead and punch another one on the top here. There's our other pocket. And then we're just going to take a little bit of glue and go ahead and just kind of barely tack that down. You don't want to take too much off the edge, because you want the space for your pocket. So then when that is dry, then you will have your pocket there and your mat here, and then your mat and pocket here, and your mat and pocket here. And it's super, super easy. You could probably do that in just 2 minutes. So anyway, thanks for watching.